And you have chosen Palawan's pageant expert, Mr. Dennis Abasha. Sir Dennis?
Good evening, Ms. Ruiba.
Evening, sir.
Ang aking tanong, paano mo ipagmamalaki sa buong mundo ang bayan ng Batarasan?
You know what? Batanasa is a unique city, a unique municipality in which we are diverse. We have diverse community. By good governance led by our great leaders, Batanasa is limitless. We can show to other municipalities what we have here. We have hardworking farmers. We have different rich cultures. We have cultural heritage that we can showcase not just in our lalawigan, but as well as in the world. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Good evening, Inugbong. Good evening po. In today's time, many young people face mental health issues. How can you promote awareness and support for mental health in your community? In Filipino, sa panahon ngayon, maraming kabataan ang nahaharap sa isyu ng mental na kalusugan. Paano mapapalaganap ang kamalayan at suporta para sa mental health sa iyong komunidad?
So, mental health is a very wide range of topic. But as a STEM student, and a student who faces also a mental health problem, just like I'm also stressed with schoolworks and stuff like that, but I believe I can spread a lot of awareness, such as standing in front of you, like in every one of you, facing a lot of battles. I'm here standing in front of you, talking to you and telling you that kaya natin to, laban lang sa life, huwag tayo sumuko, and I believe that we can stand here and be a better person po. And also, I'm gonna spread awareness, not also awareness. I'm gonna be a voice for people, because as a journalist, we are the bridge. But now, as if I become a Butano Batarasa, I will not also a bridge, but I'll be a voice for the people, not also a voice, but I'll be a human voice for everyone in that. Thank you.
Mr. Nabong, we're still young, and whenever adversities we're facing, just take things slowly and do things one at a time, and it'll be better. Good luck to you! We're chosen the beautiful Chelsea Fernandez.
Hi, Ms. Saba. Good evening. This is your question. The Philippines has the highest rates of social media usage in the world. How can we use social media responsibly to promote positive change in the municipality of Batarasa? In Tagalog, ang Pilipinas ang may pinakamataas na antas ng paggamit ng social media sa buong mundo. Paano magagamit ang social media ng responsable upang magtaguyod ng positibong pagbabago sa Batarasa?
Magandang gabi po. Para po sa akin bilang isang kabataan at kababaihan, may ipopromote ko po sa pamamagitan ng social media and sa pamamagitan din po ng aking bibig kung paano po magsalita dito sa harap. And gusto ko rin po magbahagi sa mga kabataan na always positive.
Thank you so much. Thank you. And she is Miss Reina Michelle Rubio.
Hello, good evening, Ms. Dorada.
Hello po.
For the upcoming election, I would like to know what are the qualities you are looking for a leader? Ano ang mga katangian na hinahanap mo sa isang pinuno o leader?
Thank you for that wonderful question. I believe na dapat ang isang maging katangian ng isang leader ay unang-una sa lahat ay matalino, responsable, at matapang. At ito, kagaya ng pagiging isang mutya. Being a mutya is not just about wearing a crown, wearing a sash. It is about the responsibility. And you need to be a responsible leader para makonvince mo yung mga member mo, your followers, to follow you. And for you to reach the success. And just like here in Batarasa, what I have observed is we have a very good leader. And as we can see, Batarasa is continuing to progress. There's a lot of wonderful projects that helps our municipality. Thank you.
Hi, good evening. This is your question. If you could showcase one Palawenyo tradition to the world, what would it be and why? In Filipino, kung may ipapakita kang isang tradisyon ng mga Palawenyo sa buong mundo, ano ito at bakit?
Well, if I am going to provide a tradition to the world, it is to be hospitable. Filipinos are known to be hospitable, and I believe that we are fond of being giving, and I believe that we should known for being hospitable. Thank you.
Aware ka ba na ang Palawan ay ang may pinakamataas na kaso ng teenage pregnancy sa buong Manila?
Yes, I am.
At sa isa sa mga bayan ay ang Batarasa. No? So, bilang isang kabataan, paano ka makakatulong sa pagbaba ng kaso ng teenage pregnancy sa bayan ng Batarasa?
Good evening, and thank you for the question. Well, I believe that the teenage pregnancy issue is not new to the community. I believe I can help the community of Batarasa to listen the ratings of teenage pregnancy is to spread awareness about educating ourselves. If we are knowledgeable enough to do such things that we still cannot provide for ourselves, especially for the youth, if we know to ourselves that we are still youth and we really cannot provide for our wants, how can that we can add one to ourselves? I believe by educating ourselves, we are not just saving one individual, we are saving a lot of individuals. I believe that teenage pregnancy is an issue that should be added to the government problem. I believe as an individual, as a youth, it is our responsibility to fix this issue. Thank you.
And she has the beautiful Angelica Lopez.
Hello, good evening. Good evening po.
I love your skin color. So here's your question. To you, how would you define a true Filipina? In Tagalog, para sa'yo, ano ang definasyon ng isang Filipina?
Maraming salamat po sa inyong mga katanungan. Para sa akin, ang definition ng isang Pilipina ay yun ang isang hindi nakakalimot sa isang kultura ng mga Pilipino. Yun ay ang paggamit ng po at opo at pagmano sa mga nakakatanda. At ang paggamit po ng po at opo, hanggang ngayon po ay dinadala yun. At yun ang masasabi ko hindi nawala sa isang katangian ng isang Pilipina. Yun lamang po, maraming salamat.
Thank you so much. And she has Miss Jemima Joy Zavala.
Good evening, Ms. Makaya. Good evening, Queen. Thank you so much. And tonight, we are not just only graced by these beautiful women and men, we are also graced by the presence of our esteemed leaders and officials. So my question is, if you have the chance to speak up close with an official about a social issue, what would you discuss? In Tagalog, kung mabibigyan ka ng pagkakataong makipag-usap ng masinsinan sa isang opisyal tungkol
tungkol sa isang isyong panlipunan, ano ang iyong tatalakayin?
As a graduating student of Bachelor of Elementary Education, I would love to give the topic or spread awareness for high quality education. As I am advocating high quality education, I firmly believe that education is the cornerstone of a thriving society. And with that, I would love the leader to help me to spread awareness that education is for every individual. It gives and it empowers every individual. And if we finish our education, it's a give chance for us to upgrade the people's quality of life. Thank you.
And that would be once again Miss Angelica Lopez. Hello, Bono Bono. Good evening. My question to you is, if you are to bring a tourist to municipality of Bataraza, which tourist site will you bring him or her and why? In Tagalog, kung magkakaroon ka man ng pagkakataon na magdala ng isang bisita sa bayan ng Bataraza, saang lugar or tourist spot mo siya dadalhin dito at bakit?
Thank you for the wonderful question. Para po sa akin, kung magkakaroon po ako ng pagkakataon na magdala ng isang bisita sa tourist spot dito sa Bataraza, I would bring her or he to Lalatuan Falls and Kapangan Falls, which is from Barangay Manhol. It will be as such wonderful and beautiful falls. Kahit po kayo mismo, kapag nakita niyo po yun, mamamangha po kayo sa ganda. Thank you.
And we have Mr. Kane Rivera.
Hi, hello, good evening, Ms. Bulalakaw. Here's your question. Many young Filipinos struggle with self-doubt and insecurity. What message would you give them to inspire confidence and self-worth? In Filipino, maraming kabataang Pilipino ang nakakaranas ng pag-aalinlangan at kawalan ng tiwala sa sarili. Anong mensaheng may bibigay mo upang magbigay inspirasyon at palakasin ang kanilang kumpiyansa at pagkamahalaga sa sarili?
Magandang gabi. Nais ko lang po sabihin sa kanila na ang insecurities ay normal sa isang tao. I am here standing in front of you, having different kind of insecurities, especially when it comes to height. But I use these insecurities as an advantage to take a spot and step forward to tell them that it's not an insecurity, but it is an advantage to make a difference and